Okay, I'm going to try and show you how you can go about using D2L from home to access your coursework. So first I've gone to Google Chrome and typed in D2L CBE, and that brings up this list. So then you can just click on it. And you're going to need to sign in with the username and password that you would use at school. If you're having trouble with that and you can't remember, you'll have to contact us and we can reset it for you. Okay, so you sign in. There we go. Sign in. Once it takes you in to D2L, you're going to notice that your name is in the top right-hand corner, and this is a place you can click, look at your notifications, and down here it will show you, if you scroll down, it will show you in bold what your email is for your EDU CBE email. Okay, and then you can go back to the main screen. Just click the back button. Okay, so it'll say Calgary Board of Education at the top, and underneath you'll see all these tiles. You'll have a tile for every class that you're in. So you can see my social studies class is right here, and you can just click on it, and that will open the D2L shell for that class. Most of them are set up pretty much the same way. Okay, so you've got a nav bar along the top with different things that you can do and different things you can click on. You can also click on this little arrow in case there are more hidden icons underneath. Okay, so if you scroll down a little bit, most of our D2L shells are set up like this, where we have a calendar on the left and we have announcements on the right. So these announcements will show you the work that is being done every day from your teachers. They put your assignments here. They also might put links that you can click on. For example, if I scroll down a little bit more, see here, these blue links, you can click on them. You can hover over them and click on them. So there may be links to websites and videos, and there may be links to assignments and things like that that you can click on right here in the assignments or in the announcements, okay? Because you haven't been coming to class, you may have to scroll down quite a ways to get back to the beginning where we started, okay? On the left-hand side, you see the calendar, and your teacher might have put due dates and things like that in there. For our class, we do meet as a group at least once a week, usually Monday or Tuesday. I let everybody know when the next one is going to be. So we won't be having another class for your social class until, well, there'll be one on Thursday afternoon at 2 o'clock, and there'll be another one on Monday at 2 o'clock. Our class always meets at 2 o'clock when we meet, okay? To get into the online class, you can either click right here on the date, and it will take you into the virtual classroom, or you can click up here, and it will take you into the virtual classroom, okay? When we're in there, you'll be able to see your teacher's videos or hear your teacher's voice. You'll be able to ask questions. It's all really neat. Lots of kids are enjoying that experience of being in the class together, but still on the computer. On the left here, we have an icon. All of your teachers will have a content button. If you click on content, that's where all of your course files are going to be kept. So handouts and things like that that your teachers want you to work on. When you click on content and you scroll down, in my class, you'll be able to see Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, and Unit 4. So right now, we're still working on Unit 2. So you can click there to open it, and you can see all of the things that we've been working on. Okay? All those handouts, things like that. And you can click on them to open those documents. Okay? Another tab that you might want to look at is the next one over. It might be somewhere else for your other teachers, but it's called Assignments, and it looks like a drop box. This is where you can hand things in. So if you click on Assignments, yours is going to look different than mine. So I'm going to say View as a Student so that you can see what you're going to see. Okay, if I click on the drop box, this is what you would see. There's the different folders that you can hand things in. So if you click on a folder, it will open. And then I think there's 3 buttons you have to press here. First thing you're going to do is click Add a File. Then you will find your assignment sheet that you're working on, and you will click on that assignment. And then you just go to the bottom here and click on Submit. So add a file, add, submit. There's like 3 buttons that come up that you have to do. And then it will tell you file submission successful. And that's how you know you handed it in. And it doesn't disappear for you. When you go back to the assignment folders, you will be able to see if you have any submissions. You'll see it says not submitted, or it says how many submissions you've made in that folder. Okay? At the top, you can get to your virtual classroom this way, like we talked about. If you're meeting with the teacher and the other students, the discussion button allows you to ask your teacher questions. Pardon me. So you can ask your teacher questions using the discussion button. And then you just go in and click on individual discussions. And then you can start a new thread and you can ask Miss HR a question or whoever a question. Most of the teachers are using this discussion tool to do their speaking back and forth with students. But if you're finding this a struggle, you can also email me. I will accept emails. Okay? Now, this house at the corner, this takes you back to the home page where you can pick from all of your classes. This title takes you back to the home page of this shell. So we click on that, it goes back to your social studies homepage. Okay? So hopefully that helps you. Let me know if you need more help. Okay? Okay.